Hi Pisces! Kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well. Welcome to my channel, 1111 Pinoy Tarot. This is a general reading, not a one-to-one, so not all of you can resonate. If this reading is not for you, then leave it for a friend. Pwede nyo rin panoorin ang inyong moon and rising placements kasi minsan mas nakaka-resonate kayo doon kaysa inyong sun sign. Please subscribe, comment, share, and tap the bell. Pisces, maraming salamat sa iyo. Let us see what are the messages for you. Okay. So right now, you are taking a break. Nag-iisip kayo ng mga paraan, new perspective to move forward, to improve your life. Okay, for some of you, you are imagining things. Okay, may mga ambisyon, may gusto kayong gawin. May mga options or choices. You are deciding on something, Pisces. Nag-iisip kayo ng mga iba pang paraan when it comes to money. Okay, to give you more income, extra or additional income, pagkakitaan. Iniisip nyo rin kung mag-aaral ba kayo uli. Okay. Mag-aaral ng new skills na pwede ninyong gawing panghanap buhay. Okay. You keep on fighting. Okay. For some of you, you are a provider. Marami kayong binabayaran. Iniisip nyo na yung mga allocation ng sweldo ninyo, na matatanggap ninyo. Marami kayong plans, marami kayong inaatupag. Okay, marami kayong obligasyon. You have to fight for yourself. Para ma-provide at mabigay yung pangangailangan ng pamilya, yung mga financial obligations, mababayaran. Alam mo na meron pa kayong mga pwede pang gawin, okay? Listen to your intuition. You have the inner wisdom to move forward, to do things. Okay? For some of you, meron kayong mga gustong gawin, okay? Gustong bilhin na lagi ninyong iniisip. You seem that you cannot get over it, okay? You're thinking about a partnership, merong obsession, okay? Obsession into something na gustong bilhin. Obsession din sa isang tao. Some of you are addicted to someone, okay? Marami kayong mga katanungan sa buhay. Okay? And you're looking for answers. May mga delays pagdating sa money. Okay? May mga problema. May mga gusto kayong mangyari, sana, okay? Pero hindi nangyari. And iniisip mo, bakit ganun? May mga disappointments, okay? Meron kang gustong bilhin, pero you cannot afford it. Iniisip mo, paano mo pagkasyahin yung pera mo if you're going to buy that thing. Okay? Yeah. But you know, you need that thing. Kung ano man yun, alam mong kailangan yan. Okay? It is necessary. You are a powerful person, Pisces. Okay? Very talented kayo. May mga skills kayo. Okay? Kung may mga problema, mabibigyan ninyo ng solusyon. Nagagawan mo ng paraan. Use your power. Believe in yourself. Okay? For some of you are thinking about your family back home. Okay? Maybe you are an OFW. Okay? Nagtatrabaho kayo sa ibang bansa or naninirahan and you are thinking of going home. Bakasyon. You miss your family. And iniisip mo na yung mga gastusin mo, mga pagbibigyan mo, okay? Pero kung ano man yung problema mo sa pera, magagawa ng paraan. Merong tao na tutulong sa inyo, Pisces. Sometimes, kailangan mong mapag-isa, sit with yourself, okay? Kung may mga tanong ka, you can get the answers deep within you, okay? Para makahanap ka ng mga paraan. There's a lot of things going on in your mind, Pisces, about sa family mo, about kaperahan, about gastusin, saan ka gagawa, or saan ka kukuha ng pera. Nag-iisip ka kung ano pa yung pwede ninyong gawin. Okay? Do what you think is right, Pisces. Kung ano man yung mga naisip ninyong solusyon, you have to take action on it. Okay? Tingnan natin kung ano pa yung mga mensahe sa inyo. If kailangan humingi ng tulong, okay, you can try. Okay, kasi minsan hindi mo alam, yun pala yung magbibigay ng solusyon sa inyo, Pisces. Okay. Some of you will be getting a promotion, okay, at work. It is something na makapag-provide kayo for your family. Okay? You will be receiving a gift. Para ma-meet ang inyong mga material needs, okay, makapagpasaya sa inyo. You will be very happy, Pisces. So, kung ano man yung problema mo, mabibigyan niya ng solusyon. Okay? Huwag lang masyado mag-alala. Let us see. More message please for Pisces. Ear. Good news. See? So, merong good news na parating sa inyo. Okay? Solusyon kung ano man yung pinoproblema ninyo. Wait for it. Weeping willow. Family sorrow. Okay? Maybe there are some concerns na kailangan mong bigyan ng atensyon. Family man yan or friends. Group of friends. Air empty. Someone is living your life. Okay? Disappointments. Beware of that. Merong kalungkutan na mangyayari because someone is leaving. Okay? Temporary situation. Okay? Whatever it is, temporary lang yan. If someone is leaving, maybe he or she will be living abroad. Leaving because they're going to work abroad. Okay? Bakasyon. So, May malulungkot yan. Temporary situation. Okay. Door. Opportunities are waiting for you. Okay. So, do not overthink, Pisces. Everything will be okay. Darating ang solusyon. Mga opportunities. Don't give up. Mag-antay lang. October. Okay, maybe there are good news coming in the month of October or may mga maganda or importanteng pangyayari sa buwan ng October. Okay. Let us see, ano pa? Yung message for Pisces. Kung meron kang pag-aaralan, okay, mag-enroll ka. You're going to study. Do not procrastinate. Tingnan mo nang mabuti kung ano yung mga kurso or talent, skills or trainings na kailangan mo. Okay, don't waste time. Okay. Message for Pisces, please. Additional message. Self-awareness is key. Take time today to go within and spend time with your soul. Go for a walk in nature and ground yourself. Meditate, listen to your favorite music. Whatever you enjoy most, do that today. Okay? So, Pisces, parang merong validation dito, no? Na nangyayari sa inyo. Sit with yourself. Kailangan mo mag-meditate, i-analyze, tingnan yung mga bagay-bagay or yung sitwasyon. From there, you can get the answer to your questions. Okay? So, that's it, Pisces. Yun lang. Yun yung message sa'yo. See you on the next video. Thank you. Bye!